Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial. My name is Felipe and I'm here to show you how to save your file in Maya in a safe way. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a new scene, and now I'm going to go to project window. I'll create this folder. I'll call it tutorial, and I'm going to save this folder in my documents Maya projects. In this folder it will contain all of these folders inside it, which will contain later all the files that you will be creating. So I just accept, and to make sure that the folder is there, it's this one, tutorial, and as you can see you have all the folders inside. Now the second step is set the project in that folder, in the right folder. So I just go here, file, set project, and as you can see the files start being set to Maya projects folder, which is not good, because if you have a model with textures you will be able to see only the model, not the textures, because the Maya cannot find those textures. So you just need to basically to teach Maya how to get those textures. I'll show you now. So I'm just setting this project to my right folder, the folder that I create, which is this one, tutorial. Set. It's basic steps, but now if I want to open a scene, I'm on the right folder, as you can see, tutorial, scenes. For now I don't have any scene. I'll cancel. I'll save one scene to show you. So file, save scene. I'll call it tutorial scene 1. Call it tutorial scene 1. Save. Okay, and now open. As you can see, it's in there. It's okay now. So I will show you an example for you to understand why you should save your file in this way. I download the project from the internet. It's a chart. So the project came with scene file, which is this one, chart, and this folder, which contains all the materials. So basically I'll transfer this to my new folder. I'll copy this file to my tutorial scenes, paste here, and now I'm gonna go again back to copy these files. Copy my projects, tutorial. So I'll copy to source images, and now I go back to Maya. I'll open that file. As you can see, it's here already, chart, open file. So as you can see, I have this chart, which is amazing. It's all texture, and that means this project is set to the right folder. If I set this project to a different folder, I cannot see the textures. I will not be able to see the texture displayed on my shark. I'll show you. If you do file and set the project to a different folder, which is now this one, Maya projects, I will set this one, and if I open now the file shark, go here, Maya projects, tutorial, scenes, shark. So as you can see, it's white. Well, it's not white, it's not being displayed the textures. And the way you can display the textures, if you press 6 from your keyboard, it's supposed to display the textures on your model, but this didn't happen because I set the project to a different folder. So basically Maya cannot find those textures. They are here. If you go to the right side on this panel, we have this texture for teeth, this texture for height, and this for body. I mean, you can go from here and find the textures, but let's imagine that you have like 10 sharks and 10 different materials on each shark, so it will take a while to find all of them. So the fastest way, or the easy way, is if you do the setup to the right folder, which I'm gonna do now. So documents, Maya projects, tutorial, set. You don't need to save this. So if you simple open again your file, your scene, now you are able to see this again, the textures. So it's okay for this one. I could find those textures. I mean, following this path. If I go here, following this path, just go to the right folder, select the texture, and that's it. I could find them, but it would take a while with 10 sharks. Or let's imagine a city, a street with 3 to 10 houses. You need to select one by one, to find the path one by one, and that doesn't make any sense. So if you do this step, first project window, create all that folders, and then set project to the right folder. If you open there your model, you'll be able to see your texture. So I'm just explaining this step. This is very important, because if you are developing a model, let's imagine that you want to create an animation with this model, and you are working with another friend that have another laptop. So let's imagine I did this model, I textured this model. Now I will send you this tutorial folder for you that contains my model and my textures. And now you will open this folder on your laptop, and you'll be able to see the same that I see already. That is this model texture, and you are ready to move for the next step, which is creating the rig and later on the animation. So that's all, guys. I hope I could help with this tutorial. So please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be watching. Thank you very much. See you next time.